Is Lean Six Sigma only for manufacturing? I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I'm a continuous improvement mentor, and I've worked all over the world in a variety of industries using continuous improvement and Lean Six Sigma. In this video, I'm going to talk about this myth that Lean Six Sigma is only for manufacturing. It absolutely is not. Now, I started my career in continuous improvement in the oil and gas industry. So I was actually going out to rigs, going out to platforms, seeing how we actually bring oil up and process that crude. And I will tell you, these Lean Six Sigma tools were transformational. What we're talking about more when we're talking about continuous improvement is a culture shift, a shift from thinking about our work as something fixed, as unchangeable, as something that we're working as fast as we can, as hard as we can. Instead, we shift our focus to the customer. What does the customer demand, and what are the fewest steps that we can take to meet that demand? Then we create a culture within an organization that helps to create that vision across everybody that works there, so that everybody is thinking about the customer and taking those fewest amount of steps. How can we make our work better? Now, this might sound fairly easy, but actually this culture shift is quite challenging. It's really moving from that fixed mindset to a growth mindset. But to do that, we have to enable people to tell us about something they don't want to tell us about, which is their mistakes. None of us are excited to say, hey, I made a mistake, I really messed this up. But if those conditions were there for you, they're likely there for others. So Lean Six Sigma, more than anything, continuous improvement, regardless of what you're calling it, what we're really talking about there is a culture shift, less than a specific tool set that you can apply to an industry such as manufacturing. Now, with that said, I will tell you, no matter what industry you're in, no matter whether you're at work or home, these tools can apply to you and be of benefit to you.